How to set camera motion photo on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on Photo tab at the bottom here. Next, tap on the Quick Controls button. From here, you can tap on this button, which is the motion photo button. Tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. Here, once it is turned on, if you capture a picture, it will start to record a small video clip. So here. Okay, so motion photo is on. So if I open up the picture, I can tap on View Motion Photo. So there it is. So it will play a small video clip in or with motion photo. Here, if I tap on the drop down, I can choose motion photo, boomerang, slow-mo, or motion photo off. Here, what you can also do is you can touch and hold on the video clips. So I'll try it again with this one. So if we during motion videos, I can touch and hold, and this will allow me to play in slow motion. So here, when you are playing a motion video, you can touch and hold, and this will allow you to slow down and play the video in slow motion. And there it is. And then after, you can tap on the download button. This will allow you to download the slow-mo clip or slow motion clip. And here is the slow motion clip that it has saved or downloaded. Now if you go back in here, and if you find out that the motion photos sometimes it has been disabled, it is because your resolution has been set to a higher limit, and then that will cause your motion photos to be disabled. So you need to change it to down to 12 megapixel for that to work. Now at the top here, you can also access motion photo. So there is a button up here that you can tap. So right at the top, if you tap on that button, you can also turn motion photo on or off. And you can also turn it on or off down here in the quick controls center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.